In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Fallout 4 with controller on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase a method where you will be able to set up any sort of controller to play Fallout 4 on PC. This is going to work with a PlayStation 4 controller, an Xbox controller, a Switch controller, or even generic controllers. And to do this, you just have to run Fallout 4 through Steam. So, if you own Fallout 4 through Steam, all that you have to do is open your library, but if you don't, you will be able to add the game as a non-Steam game. Now, you will notice that I'm going to be displaying this process with Fallout 3, but don't worry, the process is going to be exactly the same. Once you find the specific Fallout game that you want to use, which I assume is going to be Fallout 4, all that you have to do is right-click on the game and go to Properties. Inside of Properties, select the Controller tab, and you will be able to enable or disable Steam Input. Steam Input is a feature built into the Steam launcher that automatically detects and sets up any controller that you connect. So this allows for you to reconfigure the controller, and also it makes the process of using any controllers very convenient because it's like Steam is downloading the drivers and setting it up. So once the controller is connected and Steam Input is enabled, you will be able to go over to the controller configurator, so click here or this little gamepad icon, and you will be able to change the layout for the game. You can use the recommended one built by the developers, use a template, or browse through community layouts. You will be able to see the current layout that you have active and also customize every single action. You will be able to customize the buttons, D-pad, triggers, and joysticks, and as you can see, there is a lot of customization to do. You will be able to assign gamepad commands, mouse commands, keyboard, numpad, action set, system, and camera to any of the buttons available here. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Fallout 4 with controller on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.